Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will make two sketches with ink. Let's begin by making a line for the face very lightly and then the hairline. In a very simplified way, let's suggest the eyebrows, then the eyes, the nose with a thin line on top, and then just the orifice, the mouth, the ear and the jaw. All this, as I said, extremely simplified. I'm using a beautiful Montegrappa fountain pen with a fine nib and burgundy ink. The list of materials is in the information below the video. Let's draw the leg like this and then we can begin shading with hatching and cross-hatching. And the hand, also very simplified, just with a few shape lines. A few lines that describe the main shape. Let's give a tone to the face, also because it is in shadow. First a flat shade, and then we can come back and cross-hatch in some areas, leaving a light on the edge of the jaw and also on the neck, on the breast and on the leg. Basically, on all the surfaces that are facing that side. Very good, excelente, it's ready. And let's make another one. This one will also be a young woman, but this time let's give it a surrealistic touch, like sometimes we do. That's fun and interesting. She will be in profile, and this time we can start with the eye, the eyebrow and the nose. When we draw with ink, we should visualize what we are about to do, because of course we cannot erase. I am basing these two sketches on reference photos. But still, we need to visualize the lines that we are about to put on paper to simplify the picture before we put down each line. Or at least that's the way I do it. Like feeding from her hand will be a fish that is coming down to it, with a large tail. And let's draw another one over here. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code, a fish in the hand. And my secret answer will be, is worth two in the bush. I answer all comments made within the first hour after the publication of the video on Tuesdays at 10 AM US Central Time. And it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to check my brand new book on the basics of drawing with the link below. Have a wonderful New Year's Eve and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.